national ambition and self-reliance, redefining supersonic combat. The Tejas is an agile, compact, multi-role supersonic combat aircraft, distinguished as one of the smallest and lightest globally. Its speed and responsiveness are often compared to a precision-tuned sports car. Development history. Initiated in the 1980s, the Tejas program aimed to replace India's aging MiG-21 fleets and secure its skies. Conceived as a 4.5-generation fighter, its development strongly emphasized the goal of being fully Indian, standing as a testament to national self-reliance. Engineering and design. Composite champion. A significant portion of its construction utilizes advanced composites. 45% of its weight is made of advanced composites. 90% of its surface area is made of advanced composites. Benefits include reduced weight, increased strength, and enhanced stealth capabilities. Invisible tail fin. Made of monolithic honeycomb composite, this innovative design reduces manufacturing costs by 80%. Digital fly-by-wire system. Acting as a digital co-pilot, it ensures stability and safety even during daring maneuvers with features like auto low-speed recovery. Multi-role capabilities. Swiss Army knife. The Tejas is a versatile platform capable of performing an array of missions: air combat, ground attack, reconnaissance. Naval adaptability. Naval pioneer. A significant achievement for a light fighter, the Tejas has successfully landed and taken off from Indian aircraft carriers. It features a unique hands-free takeoff mode, showcasing its advanced naval capabilities. Operational efficiency. Hot refueling enables rapid refueling with engines running, akin to a Formula One pit stop in the sky. This cuts turnaround time by 30% and doubles sortie rates. Engine swapping. The engine can be swapped in just 45 minutes for rapid readiness, ensuring minimal downtime. Future developments. The Tejas legacy continues to evolve with ambitious future programs. Tejas Mk1, an updated version with an advanced radar already enhancing capabilities. Tejas Mk2, a larger, more powerful future variant. Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA, a future program building on the Tejas legacy. Industry impact. The Tejas project has transformed India's aerospace industry and proven its capabilities on a global stage. Notably, the AutoLay CAD software developed for Tejas was later licensed by Airbus for parts of its A380 airliner, demonstrating its innovative spirit and technological prowess. Strategic significance. The LCA Tejas serves as the foundation for India's strategic autonomy in air power, solidifying India's position as a formidable global player. It embodies innovation, perseverance, and national triumph. Explore more about Indian innovation and the profound impact of the Tejas on modern aviation.